We're gonna eat
chicken feet. Like that.
like this? 그냥 이렇게 먹어?
아이고 야무지게 먹네.
I successfully avoided trying chicken feet for over 13 years, but that ends today.
I am here today again with my good friend Soyeong.
오랜만이야.
And we're going to eat oh, someone's smoking. We're gonna eat
chicken feet. Like that.
like this? She got us lost finding chicken feet.
Chicken feet are served as a late-night dinner together with drinks and friends. They're also spicy, like so many other Korean foods.
This one?
This is like soup?
Like 찌개.
Let's do that. We'll also do one of those too.
It is best combination.
We're here at the Chicken Feet restaurant and I'm really scared. I'm just kidding. And I've tried so many Korean foods, so whenever I find a new Korean food I haven't tried, I get really excited about trying it. A lot of Korean people don't like it. Show me the egg you got. Isn't that egg cute?
So small. Like my face.
The egg's my gift. Well, thank you. That's really cute. And you eat the rice together?
Yeah. 아 뜨거워. 이러다 내 손까지 익겠어.
I'll be honest, I'm not that excited about trying this. It really just looks like chicken feet.
주먹같이 생겨서 주먹밥이야.
Okay, let's give this a try. 그냥 이렇게 먹어? This looks freaky. It does look like a chicken foot. It smells like chicken. It smells a little spicy. If you don't like spicy food, first of all, don't have this, because it is mildly spicy. It's like really soft, like thick chicken skin.
그리고 피부에 좋아.
It's good for your skin, supposedly. I don't know how. Not bad though. I thought it would taste like gamey, but it tastes very normal. Yeah, it's pretty good.
너무 오랜만에 먹어서 너무 좋아.
많이 먹어.
별로야.
Really?
더 맛있는데. 있는데.
So it's not bad, but you've eaten better.
그냥 그거에 비해서 별론데 그래도 나쁘진 않아.
I think originally it's not spicy, but Korea makes everything spicy. Looks strange, but tastes normal. What do? I take one of these chicken feet together with some sprout things. Is that right?
아이고 야무지게 먹네.
Seriously, what does this taste like? Really soft chicken, I guess? And it's spicy, but it's not as spicy as it looks.
들어갑니다.
My final verdict is 6 out of 10. So, not amazing, but definitely worth a try and not strange at all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.
그럼 다음에 또 봐.